Come along with me on a long walk around the Seven Seas Lagoon. We begin our walk at the Polynesian Resort, and although Disney isn't the most friendly place for wildlife, we do see a few critters. We pass by Grand Floridian Resort and Magic Kingdom and walk onward to Contemporary Resort, where we stop to try the new plant-based options at the Contempo Cafe. After we've eaten, we walk back the way we came, this time in the dark, appreciating more wildlife encounters and logging 8 miles by the end of our walk.
Sorry.